Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to bring this video for you today. It is long due, overdue, um, but I did not get enough time last week to upload the video, so I apologize, but I'm going to go ahead and do it today. I know it's only about 9 or 10 days left for Easter, but I'm going to leave this up on my door all spring because it does not really scream Easter. It's just pretty much a bunny with flowers all around, and which is spring flowers. So I'm not really too concerned about it being on my door till I get summer stuff ready and 4th of July and all that stuff. So I'm going to keep this out on my door for a while, but I created this wreath, and as you could tell, I did hang it. It's on the other side of my door, but as you can tell, it is pretty large. There is the doorknob, and it's even lower than the doorknob. So that's how large this wreath is. That's the top of the door. I took 2 wreath forms, circles, and I want to say this one right here is 18 and this one is either 14 or 12, but I connected 2 of them, and for the body I squished him up a little bit, which if I had to do it again I probably would not do it because it kind of deformed the wreath a little bit. The soldering came off from the wreath form, but it was nothing that I couldn't work with. So I created a bunny because I wanted a big one and I could not find the wreath form. So I did not mind. I started doing my own. And all the flowers right here are pretty much all from Walmart. The lilies, and I don't know the name of the purple ones, and lavender are all from Walmart, and they were 97 cents. And I've used, I think, the white one was only 1 bunch. The the lavenders are, I want to say 3 bunches, and the purple ones are 2 bunches. So you could say under $10 this whole wreath was created. The bunny ears are right there. Those are handmade. I couldn't find something that were of appropriate size, and I still don't think they're appropriate size. I needed to make them a little bit larger, but hey, whatever. It looks like a bunny to me, so that's all I was going for. But those are scrap wire that I twisted and made into a leaf shape, and then I added the terry cloth, which I got from Dollar Tree, and I added those and hot glued them together. Maybe I could show you guys. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you guys. Pretty much right there. I don't know if you could see, but it's hot glued right there. So I hot glued the bunny ears together, and then I took my Coastal Scents makeup palette from way back in the days, and I just colored the inside of the ear pink, and there are 3 shades of pink. So basically like a magenta for the inner corner, which is right about here. Then it kind of goes from light, medium to dark. You guys know what I'm talking about when it comes to shading. I did that. The bow is from, I made it, the ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I wanted to keep everything purple and white because the inside of my house is also purple and white, most of my decorations, with the exceptions of my sit-in area, which is, or my dining, sorry, it's pink and blue. But all pastel colors, all spring colors, Easter colors. So the scarf is, oh my goodness, I want to say at least 13 years, no more, at least 16 years old. And I got it way back when I was on the West Coast, before I got married. I got it from Dollar Tree. I got in purple and in pink, and My daughter loved it, so she took it, but she no longer wears it. So I was like, I'm not going to donate it. I'm just going to put it on my bunny because it's still cold out here on the East Coast sometimes. So I used the out of my stash, and then I just added a little flower for like an adornment on his, or her. I'm sorry. It's a her. We're not doing his. We're doing her. Her scarf. And pretty much that is all that I have to say for my bunny. The deco mesh, you know what, if I have to go back, guys, I would probably do it slightly different. The way I did it was individually cut each deco mesh to 12 inches, and I folded it and twisted it and put it together. If I have to do it again, I would not do it that way. I would probably keep it on the roll and just kind of, pull and twist, pull and twist. This was very time consuming, and with the size of it, it took me about a week just to roll them up individually. And I'll show you the back. The back is horrible. It is very messy, but I'm not going to sell it, so it's not going to go anywhere. It's just for my house. I did, however, wrap some crocheted, I don't know what you call this. It's like a crocheted fuzzy ribbon thing just to hide the white on the green, on the outside. But I'll do a close-up on my flower arrangement, and I think it turned out super pretty. I am very, very satisfied with the way my flower arrangement turned out. This is from the side view right here, all the way up. And I wanted to keep it a little bit simple. So, hey, this is simple for me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will, if you guys like this video, please like it, share it, leave lovely comments. I like to read comments. I enjoy them. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. I have more DIYs coming up, and anytime I create, I always share it. If it's not a tutorial, then it's a show and tell like I am doing today, but I always bring it on my channel. So if you have enjoyed this video, like I said, please subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.